And what's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. I've been recording videos and I have not had the time to post it, but I'm committing that I'm doing twice a week, so you guys stay tuned for that. There is an amazing news for today. We got a van. We have upgraded our transportation and I'm so excited to show you guys. But right now, we're going to start doing some blowing balloons. We're gonna start blowing balloons to do a decoration for today. So just stay tuned and come with me. I want to show you guys my mess. This is like everything. I have all my balloons here. We're getting some balloons today. I've been trying my best to keep organized, but it's kind of impossible to do it. So, you know. So colors for today are going to be white, yellow, and blue. That's for a company. And for those who don't know me, because I don't think I ever said my name. My name is Geraldine and I'm the owner of Ballooncoholics. We do balloons and more balloons, balloon decorations, mini setup, big setup, corporate events and everything. So I love recording and doing videos for you guys and try to teach you some of the stuff that I do. It's just fun to do. So right now we're going to be using Jamar balloons. And I'm going to be using blue, white, and yellow. So let's see. We gotta do a lot of balloons. So I'm gonna start with this before I open any other bag, because that's the problem that I always do. I open bags when I already have bags open. So let's get started. This is how it's looking. We have 9 cluster of 3 on each garland, so it's 15 foot. And now I'm going to start blowing my details. I'm gonna do small details.
절대 추운 날은 없을 거야. Cause I'll be with you. 오늘도 좋은 꿈만 꿨으면 좋겠어, baby. Barefoot, barefoot. Take off your shoes and step in the bed. Barefoot, barefoot. 우린 같은 온도에 있어.
Okay, you're probably not gonna see my face, but I'm getting ready my taco box. Always have tape, even if you're gonna use it or not. I have my glue dashes on this side. I'm cleaning it up right now because I have way more things than I should. It's a mess. So I have plenty, like I have a lot of balloons in here. I'm just gonna put it all in a bag, and then when I have time, I'm just gonna go through it. Because usually when you're setting up, at least me, I'm not organized at all. And if I'm done, I'm gonna throw everything inside. So we have like orbs, balloons, ties. The ties will stay in here. We have stars, glue dash, nylon. So I'm just gonna put everything in here. Scissors. I lost my AirPod last week. I have my business cards here. Always. It's hard for me to give, like I always forget. But you always gotta have business cards at all times. I have in my car, in this, I have in the other car, like in all of the cars. I don't carry them with me and I should. I try. I have another tape just in case. Clean this off right now. I was doing this the other day and I stopped. I have a double stopper. So I need to double stop. We're gonna vacuum this. Okay, so I usually have 2 pumps. Right now I have 1, which is the one that I always use. We have a backup, so I'm gonna go and get my backup. Another one. The other one here. Okay. My scissors on the side. We got scissors here. Nylon always. I'm gonna take balloons. I always take extra balloons even if I know it's done. I got yellow. I'm gonna take the blue one. I'm probably gonna take 1 bag of each new. And then I have white.
Wait, stop.
Had a great chance to win in 2019. Everybody coming down with to make a pivotal
My tie. Oh, there's always in my tie. I do need to get just 250. I need to get them. We are setting up here.
싶을 때 내가 보고 싶을 때 또 네가 많이 아플 때 이 노래를 들어줘 절대 추운 날은 없을 거야 Cause I'll be with you oh. 오늘도 좋은 꿈만 꿨으면 좋겠어 baby
Super rainy, super windy.